Hi guys, today we are going to do this challenge. This is the challenge from Front End Mentor. We are going to do this product review card component. This is the design actual design. We are going to do this thing. Okay, let's see how this looks on mobile device. Okay, this is how it looks on mobile device. And okay, do the status. Okay, this are the things they are giving the assets like image for that cart. Then this is for mobile screen and this is for normal layout. Okay, we got the image. Okay, are you sure? Um, then we have got this image also. Perfect. Okay, this is our default template, starter template. Let's see how it looks. Okay, okay, this is how the template looks. Okay, let's start with the design. Okay, things what we should do. That's the thing. Okay, we need to create an div tag. The background color of the body is this color, like pale. I don't know what this color is. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Component. Spelling mistake, no issue. Like no ent component. Component. Okay. It's a component for that thing. Then what are we going to do inside the component? We are going to have an div tag. Okay, we'll have a div tag for the image. One div tag, and this div tag is like um for image container for the product image. Then image. This is the actual image. We are going to use the actual image on desktop. Okay. Uh, plant plant image. Okay. Plant image. Okay. This is the image of plant. We have to give the class for our image class. Let's give the class of product. We will see product image. See. Okay, product image. Then next we are going to have an div tag for product content. Yes, this is the product content section. This is all the product informations. Okay, I think one thing is missing from the image. I think so. Yes, yes, perfume. That word is missing from the asset item. So I don't know why. Okay, let us make two of perfume. Okay, then let's say paragraph tag like of this thing. Okay, paragraph for this. Next, what the things we need? Hmm. Okay, okay. Gary perfume. Okay, okay. This is the name and this is the name is text. From my floral text. Sorry, my bad. Okay. So for this. Also can. Yes, is correct. Also, that's the thing. Sorry, my bad. Hmm. Okay. This is not look like H2. Let's give us paragraph tag. My bad. Paragraph tag. Okay. Okay, leave it is no issue. Okay, guys. Now let's give the class name for the tag we have created. I'm going to give the class name like product name. Sorry, product name. Then like second name, yes. Toda, again name. So any names, no issue. Then this is the product description of um, product description, product description. Yes. Then third thing what we need is like on this new thing. Hmm. Let's have to span. Okay, and and yes, this will be like we'll name the span better. If you when we create a new. Hmm. We can use the button tag to create a button. If you then add to cart this thing and from the images we are going to use that icon symbol for that image. Cart icon, that's correct. Perfect. Okay, so we are getting the design what we want. Okay, clearly we can see the cart design, the span, and this name. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, nice, nice. This overall design is somewhat coming. Okay, let's name the classes remain class here so that we can easily do the changes. Okay, class of naming of the name of the class is very important so that we can easily know why this class is used for and we can easily update the class. Okay, we need to name the class for actually uses product price, product price, product price. This is enough, not price. Mm, this also will give you the name class of product um, of price price. Then class of product. Let's give product button, product call to action button, CTA button. Okay, can give any name, no issue. We can use whatever the thing we want, no issue. Okay, I'll give the classes to the thing. So now it is somewhat okay. For now, I'll just comment this code and I will use it later. Just commenting this code. Okay, nice. And then okay, now we should do some changes in CSS. Let's save these changes and that we go to our thing CSS. Okay, CSS not there. Okay, let me create CSS for it now. Okay, CSS is done. Let me import our style link CSS. I'm doing this because with the help of ML plugin. Okay, so easy to do. And then I'm going to do some styling like box sizing, border box. Okay, then yes, then I would like to change the property of body. Let's go, guys. And let me do display text for the body. On an item center, justify content also. We are going to center line that the div that the code div. So we are going to do apply this things this state property. Then we are going to give some height so that this will be centered. Okay, we are going to do some thing. Then yes, we are going to give the background color of this body like this color. I'm using a plugin which help me strive for the color so easily. Okay, I think so. This is the background color they have used it. So cream color is like this one like this. Let's see. Background color, cream color. Okay, let's see those changes. Okay, somewhat our size is coming like we expected. Okay, nice. Now, okay. Now we go to our product component. Yes, our product component. We are going to do the next display of flex. The same thing like display of flex. This will make our card like this. Okay, nice. Okay, and what are we going to do the work to the code? Let me save this. Okay, center. Okay, let us reduce the size of the card so that it will be easily. Okay, like let's give a width for our thought like let's give a width of 80% because it's too big. No, 80%, and let's give the height in pixels so that of same will be 80%. 80% give height. Okay, let me change height. Let's give height in height of around 500 pixels. This will be enough. Yes, okay, correct. And then let's go and say okay again it's an ISM. Let's not change the width and height of this image. We'll go to our product image because product no this product image container no this actually we should modify this thing. Should give one height so that this thing will not be scaled too much. First we can identify that by before showing we should give an ugly color so that we can identify what are the changes we are making. Let's give an okay where's the bag? Okay, let's give one red color, ugly red color, so that we'll know. See, this image is too big, so this is taking this much of content. Let's make changes in the product image container so that this thing will fit into our needs. Let's go, guys. Let's give an width of 300 pixel and height of around 500 pixel. Okay, this working okay. Okay, then one thing is that let's make an image of display block to the reason later. Now let's get to the image, match our images, product image class. Let's go to product class and make width of 100% so that our image is not uh, go too much of space. Okay, let's see why this thing is Okay. It you should not give the fixed height because it leads to some problem. Okay, if you are not will never give the fixed height. Okay, okay, perfect. Okay, we got just that info session properly. Now we are going to design this side of the page. Let's look at our design. Like where's our design? Desktop design. This color is white color, so we are going to make product or content. Yes, product content on background color is going to be white. Background color to be uh yes, it's not white but like same white. Okay, white. Okay, sorry, my bad. White only they are used. Okay, let me use the same color, white, and display flags. Display flags. Um, Flex direction of column because we need to do section flex section on column. Let's have a gap of around 10 pixel or 16 pixels. Somewhat okay. We'll go with that. Okay, nice. Just nice. We are getting to the style what we need. Yes, perfect. Uh, okay, perfect. Let's give an padding left off around one drum so that we have some spacing between this thing and this thing. I'm giving some padding. And then okay, nice. See, I think so. This is due to the default styling. Too much of space now. Yes. Let's see how our actual design is there. See our actual design. Also, design. Okay. Okay. Simply, what we can do is like, um, I'm going to reduce the width of this parent around this side. Hmm. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go to our product product content. Let's do like this. Let's see. Nice. Our image does not shrink. It will be stay fixed. See. Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. Now take this margin. Let's remove the margin of 0. Okay, nice. The design is somewhat coming together. Okay. Yes. Let's give one. Yes, we need to do one more change. That is, we are going to keep them in the div dot uh, price. Okay. So this way it will not affect the flow of the card. Okay. Perfect. Add the card. We'll give one actual width so that this will not go off the size. Okay. Now let's look at the design. Okay, we need to. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll go and see the style guide and we'll import a family. Okay, family we need is Montserrat and Pancras. I don't know what name is. Let's go to Google Fonts and search for Montserrat. Montserrat. What are the size we need for our 500 and 700? Okay, where is our 500? 500, yes, 500 and 700. This thing we got. Next, what we need is fonts. This thing, I don't know. We need this 700. Yes, 700 fonts. 700. Okay, I got it. 700. Okay, we are going to use these things. So we are going to do and font family. Just copy this family. Let's go to our styles. Just paste that thing. Okay. This font is used on that paragraph. For now, just be comment for now. Okay. Let's see what are the changes that have been made. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, what is the let's make some changes for that product second name. Product second name. Let's go, guys. Product second name, and we make the changes like mm, product second. Okay, so give font weight of around 700 pixels. Cost is two. That's what we used. Font family of this font family. Fonts. Okay. Okay. Somewhat we are getting the similar look and feel. Okay, let's increase the font size and reduce the width. Okay, let's increase the font size. Font size of around 16 pixels or so. Too small. Okay, two. Okay, nice. We are getting that feel. Okay, nice. Then let's get into this perfume thing. Perfume. It is a product name, I think so. Yes. Product name. What are we going to do is like for target the product name with the class character, and we'll make the changes like text transform to uppercase. Yes, uppercase, and that's some letter spacing is there. So you can see letter spacing of around like Let's give 16 pixel for now. Let's see how this looks. Oh my gosh, too big. Let's reduce around 10 pixel letter spacing. I think so. We should make font weight of font weight. Let me do something. We're getting called. Sorry guys. Let us continue. Font. Hmm, I will try. See how this looks. Okay, we are getting somewhat similar perfume. Let's reduce the size of around and down. How this looks. Okay, somewhat perfect. We are getting things like what we want. Let's give some spacing of margin top of around 1 gram. So we get some spacing on the top. Okay, nice. This text is also looking nice. And so, okay, what are we missing? We should give button color and price also on color. Somewhat a grayish color for the both text. Let's check the okay. I think this is what we used for main text color. Let me go to this thing. This is a product name. Yeah, name color equal to this dot color and for this perfume color. No? Yes, this color. Mm, let me go to that. Right, this color, like this bluish color. Let's go to our style. Looks our color. Perfect. Okay. Perfume. This also look nice and perfume. I think we can directly use this color to our parent so that we can do some manual changes for this price and this button also we can do some manual changes. No issue in that. Okay. Okay, let's go to our design and we will see what are the next things. Hmm. Okay, I see. We are going to do some styling for this dollar sign thing. I think this font. Okay, okay, the same font. Yes, understand. Okay, let's go to our product price thing. Yes, we are going to make first we'll make this new styling for this product price container that is like display of flex direction of chain of flexes. I'm sorry. Uh, justify content list all line items. Center just to give a gap of around 16 pixels. This gap is enough. Yeah, nice. Is somewhat gap we are getting. This button. Nice. Okay, then now we go to our product actual price component. Okay, I think so I did something. What I did? Same product price. Okay, then product price original. So, okay, let's use this class name and make some changes. Yeah. Hmm. We are going to use this same font size, same font family. Okay, and we are going to change the color to that the greenish color from the style guide they have provided. Greenish color. Let's see. Okay, now we are getting this effect easily. Then what are we going to do is that okay, next our product of price is there. We are going to select that product of price. I'm going to text decoration of line through. Yes, this will give that strike to our price. Okay, somewhat our design is coming like our no issues there. Then this paragraph is too tidy up, so I would like to do some changes for the paragraph power description. So description, say letters line height around 16 pixel. See how this looks. I think so. It will be. Oh my god, what we do? Give me time. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. It's too tied up. 1.5. Okay, somewhat nice. This thing. Okay, it's also nice. Okay. Now we need to do changes for our button because our button size is too big. I don't know. Okay, I know the reason why. Okay, because we are using flex now. This will make the button to stretch the full size. Okay, we're going to directly handle our button class. So I'm going to select the button. Mm, then let's do align self of start. This will make our button size to be normal. Okay, now it is normal. Let's look the design. What are the changes we should do for the design? Okay, okay, we can make it center. No issue. No issue in that. Okay, center. See how our button is there. Okay, centers there. Uh, Padding of x and y. We are going to do 1 point. Top and bottom is around 1.5. On left and right is equal to 2.5. I think so. Let's give in pixel. 16 pixel. Top and bottom left and right is going to be around 20 pixel. Let's see how this thing work. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to make our button too big. Let's 50 pixel. Still we need instead of doing padding, padding of around 1.2 and 0.5 each is 0.5, 0.7 run and 0.7 or 1.7 run. The padding give a width of around it's button width of around 300 pixel. Nice. Then background color of that greenish greenish color. Okay. Now we are going to outline none bar also none. We'll do some custom styling for the button. Mm, okay. Display of flex. getting this align items center, justify items also center. Okay, single element. Okay, okay. No need to do this. See the same. Hmm. Let's give some padding around two room. First text and then next is that button. Okay, let's go to our button. Yes, I'm going to do this. Actually, what we can do is there's two way we can do this. Directly using like this, or we will do this way. It's like this. Yep, like this. See, we need more 2.5. Use some panning is doing nothing. I think so. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Okay. Mm, then where is our image? Yes, cart image. Class of button. Yes, icon. Product button icon. Yes, this is what the name of the thing. Let's go, guys. Margin right off one rev. Yes, this will fix the issue. Yes, nice. And one thing we should do is for our was that font family and font weight. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Hmm. Button color to be white. Then hmm, oh my gosh, too big. Hmm. Let's make it one well. Nice. Let's make it center. This thing. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Then we use the border radius for this button. Border radius of around 16 pixels. It's too much crowd. Give us 10 pixels. Okay, normally. Look nice. Then what we need to do is like we need to add some hover effects for this button. Let's add some forward. Let's over. Okay, one advantage of using this no accessories like we can easily manipulate that. Uh, make it a little bit darker. 20s, 27, a little bit darker version of this thing. Transition, transition. All I can do all no issue. 215 yes, linear. Let's see. Okay, then make our cursor to pointer. Okay, okay, look nice. This is nice. Our card is ready. We should have a card. Whatever it is, other card. Where is our product card? Yes, product card. Yes, background color. Border radius of around 16 pixel. Hmm. I think so. This border radius should come to everything. So product content. See, next it's working. Let's give the same for our image to where is our product image. Yes. Small simple trick. What happened to our image? So it's just the reason. Okay. Okay, correct. We are going to take this property. So right, and here some curvy session is there. Let's check our design how this thing is. Stores state. So let's do the same. So simple to do that. I have to do some changes in our style thing. Like it's starting as border radius. Yeah, no border top left radius. Yes, 0. Um, border 0. This will make the modes thing. So now it's look like one piece of code. Perfect. Our price section is ready. Okay. We'll now make it for mobile view. See, our content is fixed. That's when we reaches around 530 pixel, 500 pixels, 768. But for tablet, it is okay, perfect. Now I'll just add a media query. I'll just flex swap and see whether it is perfectly working or not. See, where's our product content, product card. See, okay, nice. Okay, because it is not having enough to accommodate this thing. See, mobile view is so perfect. See, what the hell, yeah. See, I don't know why it is so perfect for mobile. See, simple tweaks we can do and we can make this change variable query. Let's go to media query. Let's go and get this media query. Yes. Mm, let's do some changes to our thing. Okay, I think so. Tab that view was very nice. That is 768. Yes. When we reach around 768 pixel, and we want to apply this following style to our thing. That is to make our product content product component of Luna. Nice. Mm, and we are going to okay. There is one small change we are going to make. It is just make this image now. Display none. Then we make more image or background. Yes. I think we should go. I should go with this approach, but I missed this approach. %. Why our image is not getting loaded? See console. Filter image. Background image. Perfect. Okay, okay. It's not interesting. Resolution. Let's see. No, that's not a show. Okay. Small mistakes. Correct. Perfect. Perfect. Let's make a height of around 500 pixel. Okay. 400. Then let's see your mobile design. How this thing. Okay. Top bottoms there. Okay. Should remove that circle thing of that's our default step. Expressing. We're going to apply for our perfect. Let's give an I think so. Product product setting. We should have some so tight. We're going to do something like this. Comes some space. Okay, nice. Our content. Hmm. Then it's here. Background repeat. No repeat. Background position. Enter. Background sizes. Cover. Perfect. Nice. This awesome card. It's working fine. Okay. This we this also machines. On our image. Okay, perfect. Now it's all in sync. Excellent. So now very nice. Then yes, we have completed this challenge, guys. Then we will just do some custom styling for our thing. Like just make this main component perfect. Then remove this. Then this footer tag. Okay, next, or there will be some issues, so we are going to not miss anything. Okay, let's add on small thing like each side or main shown. Hmm. I think so. Screen reader only. I think so. I don't know what class. Yeah, it is. It's only it's only music. I want to do. What's that? Then why am I getting this issue? Okay, let's look for screen reader only. Okay, trying to use this class. Don't know why this thing is not working properly. Okay, let's try again. Okay, we'll do it for later. I don't know why these issues coming. Okay, let's see some other issues there. Okay, this one inflicts easily by going to our body tag and like text direction. So flex of column and column. This will fix the issue. Then give a gap of 16 pixel. This thing also it will fix our issue. Yes, this issue which we got. Perfect. Fixed successfully. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned something from this video. And me, as a beginner, I'm trying to do this challenge from the skill which I have. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.